Hello and welcome back to Green Philosophers channel. My name is Aidan. This is my friend Aristotle, and today we continue to learn more about bees. And last time we learned about the bumblebees and the sweat bee species. Today we'll learn about the mason bees and we'll also build our own bee farm. And before we start, please like and subscribe, and let's begin to learn more about the mason bees. They're so interesting. They have the blue, nice color. This is so... I have never seen this in my whole life. What is it this bee is about? Hello, George. Welcome to the mason bee garden. And mason bees get their name from packing their nest with mud walls, just like a human mason would. Their scientific name is Osmia. Some call these bees jewel bees, as they look like glittering gems as they pollinate flowers. Wow. Wow, they have so nice color. It's so interesting. Bees build their nests in trees, different categories: cavities, tunnels, and in the ground. Yes, from last time we learned that bees mostly build their nests in the ground or in tunnels. Hello, bee! Mason bees or jewel bees can be bright and sparkling green, blue, or red. Okay. Ground nesting bees make up 70% of bee species. Interesting. Some ground nesting bees love sand and others love hard packed clay. Bees can nest almost anywhere. Great. Most bees are solitary and live in their own nests, spaced far away from each other. Some bees are communal. This means many bees share the same nest entrance, but live in different nest cells under the soil surface, like an apartment building. Some bees are communal. This means many bees share the same nest entrance, but live in different nest cells under the soil surface, like an apartment building. Wow, this is interesting. They live literally like in big bee house. Some bees, like mason bees, live in aggregations, which means each bee has their own nest, but nest near other bee nests of the same species. Mason bees may live side by side in a pile of branches, each inside her own branch. Bumblebees and honeybees are social. Many workers live with the queen and live in cavities. They move into nest sites that already exist, like mouse nests and hole in the trees. There are about 500 species of mason bees in the world. Some species of mason bees are specialized, which means they only collect nectar from one core, a small variety of plants. Others are generalist and need a diet of diverse pollen and nectar surface. Wow. Mason bees can be found below sea level in Death Valley, all the way to the top of 200 feet mountains. Wow. Osmia carry their pollen on their bellies. This is called the scopa. Disturbance is a human-made or natural event that changes an environment. This can be positive or negative for bee nests. Wildlife can be a natural and positive disturbance. It can clear overgrown vegetation from forests and make room for more flowers and nest space. But if it's in an area that is experiencing drought, it can damage the soil and trees long term. Interesting. Animal grazing can be beneficial to bees' nests by providing important nutrients for the soil through saliva, dung, and urea. But the areas can become overgrazed, which compact the soil and destroy flowers. Flooding can wash away beehives, oh no, soil, trees, and branches in the extreme cases, which we see more and more of due to climate change. But natural flooding can bring much needed nutrition to the area. Cellophane bees line their nest with the plastic-like substances from their bodies that waterproof the hives. Wow! I didn't know that there is the waterproof hives that bees can make. This is so interesting. Logging can be done in a sustainable way to mimic natural disturbance and open up the canopy for more flowers and trees to grow, but it can also be destructive, especially when pairing with unseasonal burning and pesticides, poison use. This is called deforestation and is very harmful. And this is the mason bee supplies. So let's take everything what we have and build our own bee farm. This is how our farm looks right now. We have completed and bees can now live peacefully here along with the other animals. There is a big diversity of flowers, trees, and place for live for bees within the logs, hive, underground, or on the mountains. There is now the place for everyone, and also plenty amount of water and other resources that bees love. And now let's look what is it inside the beehive.